So excited to be here. This is beautiful. Happy first Sunday of the new decade. Nana Konamah. Bless you. You are a queen. This is the energy that we needed. After all the dirty December, now we are cleansing ourselves. We're getting back to gratitude and appreciation. I'm feeling joyous. I'm feeling good. And I'm ready to kick off this new decade.
I'm so excited. This is such a collaborative event, but the main goal is about offering people a chance to choose healthy alternatives, skin, body, mind. So I'm really excited about it.
Close your eyes with me, start imagining a world full of love. We can change the stars with our hands and hearts, make them shine on us. But no, don't worry, darling, they won't stop staring, but soon they'll be caring. Come from near and far with their hands and hearts, 'cause it's time to stand up. Oh, the world is changing, and all I'm
In
saying
here with no expectations at all, but the moment that I walked into the door, hearing the drums play, the atmosphere here, I was so stunned, and I was like, you know what, this is gonna be a good day.
I thought it was a yoga, so she said summit, but I've been partying so much, so I didn't know what to expect. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just get a yoga on, whatever Nana does, I know it's gonna be great. But I cried during yoga. I got my life. Last night I was partying, jamming so hard, and I was like, okay, yoga is gonna be cool, but I walked in, this is a full experience. This is sisterhood. This is community. This is beautiful. The first Sunday of a new decade, and this is what Nana's done. I'm like, my heart is full.
Lift our legs into the sky. Our fingers will rise because we're going to try and touch our knees in a dry sky. Right leg comes high up. We drop the knees back to our mat. And one last rotation. Rising, rising, arms to the sky. It's been incredible to see kind of how people have taken maybe 1 hour of their time in each of our classes, maybe the yoga, maybe the dance with Coach Cass, and it's changed their perspective about what they want to do this year. So I think that's exciting.
This gratitude brunch has really even exceeded my expectations. Like I came with little expectations, but knowing that I'm gonna get back so much because the founder herself just exudes greatness and positive energy. And my experience has been great. Beautiful women, beautiful people, great energy, and just all around positivity.
someone that don't love to dance, but to actually, you know, be in the same room with other women, I was so motivated. I got the energy to just move and celebrate us and, you know, just have a good time. And now we're here, the drinks are good, like amazing. I really can't wait to experience more of what Nana has to offer, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the day.
My name is Abimbola, and I'm curating the skincare portion of the entire program with Betty Community. Betty Community is an online skincare community where we just have conversations around skincare, recommend products and all of that. Coming here today is just really interacting with people, getting their thoughts on how they currently take care of their skin, having conversations around how to do better care of your skin. I mean, it's summertime right now. What product can you buy that can make your skin feel better? How to make it even easier with the dryness and everything going on right now. It has been really fun. I've done the dance and the yoga session in the morning. That was really interesting. It's a lot of fun for me. It was a lot of energy boiling, and I had to drink a lot of water after. So yeah, that was fun. Our skincare bar really is for us to have interactions with everyone, and it has been really so much fun. I'm like, everyone is asking questions. What can I use? What can I buy? Is this natural? Where was it made? I mean, we've gotten a lot of very, very positive responses and feedback. And we've also made some sales, so yay! That was fun.
So I know everybody is waiting for this part. This is our favorite part of the program, which is brunch and food and eating.
Staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, can't take it on my heart. Oh, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah.
So from the self-care talk today, I'm expecting tips and tricks on how to stay fit, how to stay well, how to stay energized, and how to be your best self for 2020. And I'm ready.
I just love to share healthy living ideas and allow people to have some time to think about what they need for themselves. Yeah.
This is really what we do is really about service. We really get up and we have the goal of serving others and serving a cause. So thank you. Side note, almost everything I've learned about self-care I learned from my father. So